Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to tell you an important aspect for you which will go a long way, and this is with respect to the health insurance, and you must see this video till the end to get the maximum benefit out of it. Generally, a person suffers from the mentality I don't fall sick, and he considers that he is in the perfect condition right now. And but remember that, like the stock market, life is also volatile. God forbid you could get into an accident or develop a deadly disease or anything else for that matter. And even if you have a health insurance, the premiums can be expensive. Let's see how you can save money on your insurance plan. First of all is the discounts. Nowadays you can scout through the internet to find the perfect health insurance plan for you. It is important that while looking for your plan, you also look for any possible discounts. Like you can ask them that if I club my family, does it give you any discount? If your plan doesn't offer a discount, call the company and try to convince them to give you a discount. You can at least try and get closure. You can tell them that, gentlemen, I am getting X discount from other service provider. However, if you can give me or match that much, you will like to go with them. Employer, you can save by using the health insurance plan that your employer provides you. They are usually provided for free. If it is not free, it will be definitely cheaper than a private plan. You can ask your employer if they can include their family and dependents in your present plan by paying any additional money, which they might agree. Group health insurance plan also covers your spouse and children, and you must explore this feasibility. Thus, staying protected is better than being not protected, as somebody has said कि पूरी ज़िंदगी की कमाई सफ़ेद कोट वाले छीन करके ले जाते हैं. Start early. Why we are saying so? Because moment you start early, your premiums will be low. The older you get, the more dark stuff you see in your life. Well, that was true, but it has no relevance in the medical insurance. Your premiums will rise as you will start aging. The older you get, the more health problems you have, and so the chances of your claiming the insurance gets higher. Thus, companies charge higher premiums to mitigate the risk. If you buy a plan early on, you can save on premiums and can enjoy your later years. There is a concept called as top up. Well, we are not talking of the mobile top up. We are asking you about the top up on your health insurance plan. If you are already covered by your employer and want a higher sum insured, don't get an additional policy. Instead, you can get a top up on your existing policy, get a higher sum insured, and skip paying massive premiums. You can ask your employer about this feature. Have you heard of the floater policy? Do you guys remember that Paragon floater hitting your face when you didn't show your report card on time? Good times. Well, anyways, get a floater policy which covers not just you but all your dependents like children, spouse, and parents. One insurance cover and one single premium for the entire family. Remember to do healthy stuff. Instead of posting stories of pizzas, maybe stick to the healthy stuff once in a while. Quitting smoking, drinking, having a good body mass index, and other related activities can lead to fewer hospital visits in the future and save you a lot of money. Insurers give rebate to people who have never been hospitalized or don't smoke. So remember to tell them that you don't smoke. But remember that you cannot tell lies, because if they discover these facts at a later stage, you may be denied the claim total and nobody can help you out in that scenario. So, to cut the long story short, it is important to get a health insurance Trying to save money on your health insurance plan is important, but it is more crucial to have one. So ask around, check on the net, and find the perfect health insurance plan for you. In dire circumstances, worrying about money will only add to your problems. And remember, insurance is never to be mixed with investment. If money is a problem, you can start with our best bank nifty option tips. Even with a small capital of 5000 rupee, you can get started and can make money on daily basis. We are able to pick up the trend in the morning at the right time and exit with profit generally in less than 1 to 2 hours. We don't believe in trading for the whole day. We only believe in trading less, trading accurately, make profit, capture it, and move out of the market. We are a SEBI registered investment advisory services. Get benefited with it.